Stop aloneness from robbing us of happiness. Huwag nating hayaan na nakawin ng aloneness ang ating ligaya, ang ating saya. Paano ba natin pipigilan ang aloneness from robbing us of happiness? Unang-una, get rid of all the reasons that we've already mentioned. Let's review ourselves. Yung ating mga traits, yung ating mga ways na dapat nating alisin at alisin ang mga dahilan kung bakit tayo ay parating mag-isa. Kapag nagkaroon tayo ng honest self-assessment, makikita natin ang ating sarili at ang mga ugaling kinaiinisan ng iba sa atin. And then, we can build bridges instead of walls. Sabi nga, people are lonely because they build walls instead of bridges. Tulay dapat, hindi pader. Nakikipag-ugnayan tayo sa ibang tao at hindi natin nilalagyan ng bakod ang ating mga sarili. Take risks. Invest in human relations. Madalas ay gusto natin na maging segurista, but invest yourself. Give of yourself. Ang sabi sa Luke 6 verse 38, magbigay kayo at kayo'y bibigyan din. Hustong takal, siksik, liglig, at umaapaw pa ang ibibigay sa inyo. Sapagkat ang panukat na ginagamit ninyo sa iba ay siya ring gagamiting panukat sa inyo. I-consider natin ang verse na ito. Although yung context ay ibang topic, isa itong beautiful application in terms of being alone or being with people. Kunwari, ikaw ay trader at nagtatakal ka ng mga salop at maganda ang iyong sukat, siksik, liglig, umaapaw pa, tamang-tama, talagang punong-puno ng blessings. Ganon din sa friendship at human relations. Give and it will be given to you. When you give respect, you will be respected. When you give kindness, you will receive kindness. A good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over. So gawin natin itong personal policy in human relations. Give and it will be given to you. Huwag ka lang tanggap ng tanggap. Magbigay ka rin. Ang galing-galing mong humingi, pero yung mga palad mo, kuyom na kuyom or tikom na tikom kapag magbibigayan na. At in relation to people, we keep only what we give away and release what we want to keep. Selfish people end up alone and lonely. Aloneness is 99.99% of our own making. Tayo rin ang may gawa. Kung ikaw ay mag-isa at malungkot, chances are you'll find yourself as the maker of your aloneness. Kailangan mo ring suriin ang iyong sarili. Hindi naman palaging kasalanan ng iba o ng iyong kapwa. Dapat nating ma-realize kung paano ba natin ginagawa or nagagawa yung mga rason kung bakit tayo mag-isa, kung bakit tayo malungkot. Aloneness robs us of happiness. Reach out to others or at least be within reach. Natatandaan nyo ba yung mga linya na, if I reached out to you, would you be there? Or if I didn't, would you reach for me instead? Ikaw ba ay mag-isa? Or do you feel alone? Hindi ibig sabihin nito yung mga isolated cases and moments of aloneness, because sometimes we really do feel alone. But nasa-sense nyo ba that you are alone in life? Yung aloneness na may kasamang lungkot? In that case, kung nararamdaman nyo yan, dapat ninyong suriin ang inyong sarili. Maaaring ang nararamdaman ninyong aloneness at sadness ay kayo rin ang may gawa. Yan ay dapat nating pag-isipan. God bless us all.